Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. For today, we're going to do a bonus video. This is on the very far west side of Giga Texas's property, and the first time that this area has been developed. This inset image gives you an idea what it looks like. The arrows and the map shows you exactly where this is located on Giga Texas's property. And as I mentioned, this is the first time that this has had any development work at the entire time Giga Texas has been under construction. In the video, we're going to discuss what this is used for, and I will show you where all of the dirt is being transported. So let's get into the video and let's take a look around the far west side. If you would like to support my efforts, please consider using these links, which will be in the video description. If you are interested in Tesla products, you can help yourself and support me by using my referral code. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons on my YouTube video, as this helps as well. Thank you. We're starting off right at the location on this very far west side of Giga Texas. You can see the hills and the trees and all of the trucks that are lined up to pick up a lot of the dirt. On the right hand side of the screen is Farm to Market 973. It's actually being widened right now throughout the entire length, and it's getting a larger intersection where Tesla Road meets it about the middle top of the screen. Here you can see what is going on. They are removing a lot more of the dirt here and erasing basically some of the hills and ponds that is left over from the sand and gravel mining that used to be in this entire area. In fact, what you see on the right-hand side of the screen is pretty much what the footprint area for Giga Texas looked like when construction began back in June of 2020. You can see Giga Texas in the upper left-hand corner of the screen to give an idea of where this is exactly located. But this is a good view of what this terrain appears like and what a sand and gravel mine does. They kind of do the mining in a linear fashion, and when it's completed, they move to the next, and then they just continue. And that's what forms the terrain that you see. Now, on the right-hand side of the screen, pay attention to that center dump truck. We're going to be following that throughout the video. But I also want to put up a map real quick just to remind you, this is the map turned upside down, facing to the south, just like we are with the drone, and this gives you an idea of where this is located in relation to the main factory. Now, as I continue to fly to the north, you're going to see Tesla Road on the left, and that intersection is what is being extended and widened right now, along with Farm to Market 973. You can also see the concrete vaults lined up next to the road in the area that will be what is widened at sometime in the near future. And all of this is very important because this will help support not only Giga Texas, but the West Support Facility itself, where the end of line and the new outbound lot will be. But as I continue to fly towards the south, I'll give you a good look at where this is located again, the activity that is going on, and with the cars on Farm to Market 973 and the widening efforts for that road. So this is a really good view of all of the activity here. And again, all of the center dump trucks that are lined up waiting for this dirt. And this is a good close-in view of some of that activity as well. So I'll let the video play for a while, and then I'll resume the narration in a little bit. I'm actually flying over the neighborhood that is on the west side of Giga Texas. The West Support Facility with the end-of-line facility is directly behind the drone. I'm facing to the west. You can see downtown Austin there. And then as I turn the drone, you can see more of the housing development here on the west side of Giga Texas. Now, as I continue to fly towards the left, you'll start seeing some of the familiar areas of this West Support Facility. On the left-hand side of the screen, just coming into view is some of the material staging location. We also see the large parking lot that is for the contractor vehicles. And the clearing is what we've been monitoring for the last several months as Giga Texas crews have been erasing more of the sand and gravel mine here and using this dirt to level the new outbound lot near the end of line facility. What we're also seeing is the amount of dirt that is needed to finish up the removal of the ponds and the valleys amongst the hills. And this is where all of that dirt is being transported from that new construction site. You can see the bulldozer spreading out some of the freshly arrived dirt. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see the intersection of River Road and 973 again, and those center dump trucks coming down River Road getting ready to turn into this location. Those are the same center dump trucks that we were watching in that new area get the dirt fill put into the trucks, and then this is how far they've come away. Now, as I continue to move the drone over what is that environmental uplift facility and effort that we've talked about in previous videos, I'll show you a good look back up to the north across this clearing. And in the far kind of upper left-hand corner of the video, you can see where that dirt has come from and that new area. This is also a good view of how the center dump trucks operate, the dirt being spread, and how this is just being used to continue to prepare the grade in this particular area. And this is very similar to what we've seen coming into view near that new end-of-line facility just across the material staging location, where they've flattened out that entire grade as well. Now, as we continue to fly over the material staging location, this is a really great view, taking advantage of the lighting to give you an idea where all of this is located in relation to the main factory and, of course, the end-of-line facility. And with this bonus coverage, it gives me a little bit more time to show you how the outbound lot is progressing, the trench work for what will eventually be the lighting. And you can see there's one large section nearly completed closer to the drone, and in the middle of the screen you can see trench work beginning to extend that lighting line across this entire outbound lot. The end-of-line facility is nearing completion, and it's really looking great with Giga Texas behind it. You can also see the paving work that is going on with this north-south road that will eventually connect River Road to the south and Tesla Road up to the north. You can also see the stainless steel or the steel corrugated pipes that are being used for the underground water management system. This material staging location with those distinctive white tents and some of the containers and some other materials. You can see here where that road, the work is kind of stopping at that point in time. They still have to do some of the earthwork and preparation to extend that road further to the left of the screen and up to Tesla Road. And then, of course, this is more of Tesla's property that is undeveloped at this point in time. And with the view of Giga Texas in the background, this gives you a great context of where this is located. I'm intentionally flying back over Farm to Market 973. We are over that location again where the work was being done, and I gave you those detailed views. And then this is a good view of Tesla Road, that new intersection, and the work that is continuing to widen Tesla Road all the way over towards Giga Texas. So I hope that you enjoyed this good long view and bonus coverage of just the west side of Giga Texas. Too much to put into my main video, but it's also a new development that I wanted to be able to highlight. So as we arrive towards the northwest part of Giga Texas, looking across State Highway 130, I appreciate you watching. I hope that you found this bonus video helpful. And as always, thank you very much for watching and for your support. Take care.